Right, Monday morning, folks, and a wee update what we're doing. We're starting this job here, we're doing a fence. We don't usually do this kind of work, but Carol's a special person for a special friend for Barbara, her sister. So basically we're doing a job for Barbara and Carol. Carol says here, Dooning Girvin, Toon. Anyway, we're going to lift all these chips, we're going to re-chip it, we're going to put a wee kind of couple of slabs in there, a couple of 50-pence slabs there, a new Wally Hog weave fence. We're going to put a lovely red pine gate here, all nicey picey. But here's the more intriguing thing. My eye caught this, look at this. My eye caught this. I'm actually dumbfounded, shocked, overwhelmed, stupendously. Oh, Rolf didn't have a look in, by the way. Right, look at that gate there. Now, this is a gate, this is a gate salvage somewhere else in Girvan. That's about a 25-year-old gate, look, right? I've done that, 25. I'm actually in shock if I've done this or no. The carps are mine. That's the type of gate I did then, but I've done it opposite, and I'm actually shocked. I was standing there and I went, hoo, I know that thingamajigger there. And I went, ooh, like a magnet, it drew me there. And the camera can laugh all you want, but that's what happened, it did. Anyway, there we go. But see, at the end of the week, you come and see this job, and you'll see what we've done for Carol and Barbara down here in Girvan Old Toon, right? Lovely Wally Hog wee fence, big board, wee board, lovely red pine gate, lovely. We've decided in the chips yet. We don't know what chips to get, so anybody doing Girvan, can you give me a wee bit feedback? What's the best chip shop to go to get the chips for this front garden? And we'll get, and by the way, I've got salt in the pickup, so I need the vinegar. See you all later, folks.